With current healthcare staffing shortages across the United States, DataZap is proud to supply lists of healthcare professionals to recruiters and marketers in need of this data. Lists are targeted to your unique preferences and come with the contact info you need to reach the professionals in your list. Popular use cases for these lists include staff recruitment and internal database enrichment by healthcare providers. But they are also used for temp hiring and marketing higher education, insurance, professional training, and travel arrangements for healthcare workers. Many businesses and charitable nonprofits use the data to give back to the healthcare workers and offer special programs. You can build the list of licensed U.S. healthcare professionals with the Healthcare Professionals module. It's found under the Build a List box and in the left-hand menu of our services. Once you've entered the module, select the geographic parameters for your search. Jump directly to the level of targeting that you need. For example, if targeting by city, ignore the sections above and open the city section to input your state. Cities in that state will populate below. Then, highlight your preferred cities and bring them over to the right-hand box. If targeting by individual states, open the state section and check the boxes next to each one. If you are looking nationwide, there is no need to select any geographic targeting. Next, select your campaign type. Every campaign type will include the names and postal addresses, but you can also include a phone number with each record or an email address. You also have the option to add the other contact point where it's available. Now's a good time to save your progress. To return to the saved list, click the Saved Counts link up here. Click the Continue button to proceed. If you've selected a mailing list plus phone, this bar is where you will choose what type of phone number you want with each record in your list. A cell phone number, a landline, or whichever is available. Check the DNC scrub box to exclude numbers on the Do Not Call list. In this section, you can select between categories of healthcare professionals, such as primary care doctors, specialists, nurses, and more. Once you select a category, choose professional titles within that group and move them to the right-hand box. Find additional titles in other healthcare groups as needed. Checking the NPI checkbox will include NPI numbers with each healthcare professional in your list. However, this will limit your results to the professionals for which we have available NPI number. Keep in mind, this could greatly reduce the quantity of professionals available for your search. Adjusting other filters like age or language can help you find the ideal audience for your campaign. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed and run the count. The results of your search are up here, and the price of your list is down here. A summary of your search is in this box, but you can change any of your criteria by clicking the previous tab. You can specify the quantities of records you would like to purchase here in the Order Quantity box. If you don't have enough credits on your balance, click the Buy Credits button here to pull up the payment form. Once you have sufficient balance, click the Purchase and Download button to receive your list. Your list will be available for download on the My Activity page. If you opt to verify the email addresses in your new list, this process can take around 30 minutes, but once complete, your list will be available for download on the My Activity page.